Alright again, YouTube people, back again, crackerjack farming and adventures. Right now, so I'm here with a friend of mine and his goats. So let me show you a little bit kind of goat, and then him have some crossbreed, you know, crossbreed boar, goat, and he have lots of kids right now come up. Whole bunch of kids come up. And this was one of the forerunners when it comes to goat in Montserrat. He was one of the early ones who start off with the crossbreeding and the adaptation of the boar goat and thing. And then he went into a little bit of problem with the dogs and thing. People dog come on, you know, terrorize him and mash up all his stock. So right now, at one time he was down to about, how much? 2, 3 of them? Five of them. He was down to 5, and now he started to catch himself again. So this is what things are starting to look like for him. And this is a man, he got plenty of patience, me tell you. Lot of patience. Right? And him got skills too. He know how to deal with the animal and them. So me say, well, yo, let me come, check with him, have a reasoning, and he share a little bit of his expertise. You know? See where we are going. This is his little enclosure. Not the animal gonna get out. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, so talk to the people and them and tell the people and them. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. You want to see your face?
No.
You want to see your face? Introduce yourself, tell them who you be and how you know how you go about this thing here.
Yeah. Dali youth. Yeah, I do this thing for since about what time boy about 6 years now. Me going to the half the boar breed. But me knock half my dog and them. So right now I try to rebuild myself. Right now I try to rebuild myself right now, you understand? So me have a hard breed and the quarter breed I come up here right now. I try to go to Ram to build back up the flock. Because the Ram are 90% of the breed, of the whole flock. So right now I try to build back some nice breed right now. Because dog mess up 40 for me one time, real good breed. And I went to Antigua buy a Ram. I bring it down here with the quarter breed. I get some nice kid and that killed me out.
See,
I didn't get done for the government and nobody promised me they never give me $1. But God is good, God is great, my bill back.
See, but the thing is now you get in the ram, you have to know who to trust. Because anybody you can trust. People just take your money and just tell you this and
hard breed and whatnot, you know what I mean? So
and you still not get nothing for your money still, you know.
Right now I got a couple kids they born, I got but you still with kids, so I build back. So by next year I should back up near the one good amount to get next year, God's spare life. Can only January for 2022, so I should rebuild.
See this one in front of you, this one when you're the big, soon ready for drop, man.
And the one outside, no, middle next month.
Yeah? Yeah, man.
The breast drop, no, the breast drop one time.
Breast drop, one time.
And the cattle.
Ah,
so they all cow cattle I kept before, they calf before the breast come one time. Yeah.
You look good, man. What's the head, what's the face pan one, what's the head pan one there?
Yeah, but they kill them outside, shouldn't kill them outside there. See some of them out, they shouldn't kill them outside.
Yeah, me show them, me put them pan there already, but I'm going to show them that again.
Yeah.
I'm going to show them there again, and the enclosure. So how you start to manage them now? Because you got them in a kind of intensive program.
I got a girl over there do farming. My neighbor there build the house and do farming, so I protect them from the yard and so. So right now I'm mauling them out more in the evening time. And trap getting the grain during the close day in the bush. And then, you know what I mean?
So what time you normally let them out to? About 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock?
Let them out till about 10 o'clock in the night.
So what time you let them out? You let them out
6 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh, you let them out 6 o'clock, 5, 6?
They feed under the light and they go feed under the light.
Ah, they feed under the light.
And all by the government roadside, by the trouble them.
Okay.
Nobody trouble them.
So
once you live good people not trouble things.
About 6 o'clock you let them out?
Yes.
And then they go and they feed and then they come home.
See, the only men trouble stuff we don't know.
Yeah, man. Really young men that.
Yeah.
So you got a nice little, what I thought they were like, one little kid.
Then you want to get the foot broke.
Or you get the foot broke.
You never go to Tumba, me tell you.
Oh.
Fancy that don't want to come and say, tomorrow we go to the boy, no. Yeah, we're going to horse or something.
And you get the vet full up funny?
I'm doing myself, I can't go with the vet, me tell you.
You can't go with the
I'm
vet.
in like, oh, in the pan. Yeah, my YouTube, yeah.
Yeah.
Can't go with the vet, them pan. So they're calling us, them phone.
So what you,
nobody
do,
with them.
you put on spin pan your foot or something, something
Yes.
for straighten them up.
Yeah, yeah, right. They come off, and then the other foot won't get damaged. Yeah.
Yeah.
Try to be calm, you understand, but sometimes try to answer me, I can't go with that.
Okay.
I mean, like be there, my knees, but sometimes nobody try. But if you come once, you get me, you'll come.
You got a good little setup. So you got some started floor thing you done your base.
Oh yeah, man, you see me look here. You get a joke, they don't tell the boy, he just feel any mood. They make it something to me feel so nice. You know me do for hold the kidney, they left and they look there.
Yeah, they
go. That kill me back.
That kill you back?
That kill me back.
Yeah,
the mother don't want to come.
Yeah, you say yeah right up there.
You want to go later today?
Okay, let me go down. No. Let me go down here and look on this and show them people how you set up the started floor, the man thing.
Just start, the whole thing of leather, go right with the back. Whole thing of leather.
Okay. And you got the stone and the stone, it good for the hoof, the hoof them. The rocks and so they good for the goat and for the hoof and so you know really got a whole heap of trimming and something for do. You know got a whole heap of trimming for do.
See you know, the other floor come up to the stump there. The other
oh, so you're away again another
up
and then
here,
come
so
out
you
for
come now,
one
look. They might come right across with this, look.
Okay.
Right across, he want to come right off down floor, and then now look. They come this now, come across when they roof like this here. When they roof like this here, come across here, this one roof.
Okay.
Come just enter here.
Alright, so you block off some of the rain.
Let me tell you, look at the wicked fuck. Oh, God.
Yeah. So then wicked sometimes.
So now we're going to do now, look. Me tell you before, make one bigger pot. I use this because it's on wood, it's right.
Yeah, right now, yeah.
You hold on to the one, because I can make a happy for hold on, Panama, one of my jug and pop it, you understand? What I do, look. You come to about 3 feet and 4 feet. 3 feet, 4 feet at least. There. And put one post here. And put another post there. Look.
Pan the end out there.
You're in the center.
Yes.
One in the center, straight, one in the and put one in the center, then look. And come across here to about 3 feet here, look. And then I take the gab and I don't find here, you come here like this.
Okay, yeah, that will keep out the rain.
And the wind, after the wind.
The wind and the rain,
And then
you
back
keep
off
out.
the stone, the only water thing above the then glang. The water glang.
Yeah.
And then tell them to come here now, look, menses. Tell them here now, look. Come about there. Now across one little fence for banana.
Okay.
And then probably put the banana in a little section like this, you understand?
Alright.
And see out there.
And then get the manure and everything from the animal.
So I'm going down here now,
So
look.
integrate everything.
Now they say they're going to throw the man on the other floor from much. Let me go down there, come. Can the level drop down there?
Let me walk on the side out, yeah.
So back this glass and over there, this great, this kind of work, this kind of.
Yeah, my back now, 100% myself. So I have to take it easy. Yeah.
This is now, the level now, see me mark out there. Mark with the pencil mark there.
Yeah, find the piece of 2x4.
When this end then go up, all that don't work out for that. To come to that. This and that finish. So I come across and go, yeah, you know there? Come right across. So you know, you got the total tree something, you can see how they enough for the step.
Okay.
You understand? So you step now up on the side of the right all the time.
Alright.
This step now, this will come right across, nice flooring off, because I'm going to make the load, blow plywood, blow them somewhere. Pallet. So
Pallet them.
yeah. You want 6 and 6 to 12 up there right now. 12 up there. You understand?
For get it back up on the top
Forget
level.
that for come across the top. You
On
know,
the top level.
I want 5 pieces of wood like this. For them. 5
Okay.
pieces of wood. Can we just do 2 on the bottom and then drop 3 cross.
2
To
by
the
6.
bottom and then like that.
Yeah.
And drop 3 cross for the 30 center piece.
Okay. Alright. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, me get you.
So now, maybe I'm nice and they like me do that to the stronger still.
And then when you're done, you gotta take your time now and change the slotting.
What?
The distance of the slotting.
No, but